What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be working on the 2JZ's intercooler piping. As you can see, I've already started it. I've got the hot pipe already done and the intake already done. The only thing left to do is to finish up the cold pipe, which you're going to see in this video. I mentioned in the last video that I was going to try out the Swag off-road portaband table that I got. And I did use it to cut some of the pie cut sections, and overall I'm pretty happy with how it worked out. My previous portaband setup, the way it was bolted into a vise, that I probably wouldn't have been able to do these pie cuts. So I'm really happy on that purchase. So let's finish up that cold pipe. Alright, so this is the cold side. Basically what I ended up having to do was actually weld the pipe to the throttle body itself, only because when I put a coupler on here, it ends up ending about here, and then for the piping to start, there's just not enough space. So I've already got the cold pipe laid out to point over to this hole. The last piece I have to add is this turn down. I've got to cut a 1-inch piece and add that in here, and then I'll be adding a blow-off valve flange right here, and then we'll continue the piping down and into the intercooler. So let's go cut that 1-inch section of straight, and then we'll get this all welded up. Yeah, so we got that cut. I actually cut more than 1 inch just to be safe. Better to have more than to have less. So I'm just gonna deburr this. Okay, so I already have this section that I made that we're gonna add this piece onto, and then we're gonna add this piece onto the cold pipe that's in the car right now. So let's get this tacked up, and I'm gonna pull the throttle body with the cold pipe off of the car so we can get everything all welded up. Okay, so we got the throttle body off of the car. Basically, this is gonna go like this, and then this is gonna go like that. Okay, so I got that pipe all welded up, and let's see if it fits. So it looks like pretty good fit. Just put the clamps on. Okay, so sorry I actually stopped recording. I just wanted to bang it out really quick. I ended up getting all the intercooler piping done. So let's see here, if we can focus. So here's the cold pipe welded directly onto the throttle body so that we could get that like a tight turn there. Got the blow valve on, and then it goes down into this piece, into the intercooler, and then the hot pipe. The hot pipe was already done before. And then the intake. So yeah, that's all the intercooler piping. So that's done. The next thing we're gonna have to do is the exhaust. Actually also got, you probably can't see down there, but I got the fuel lines